So, Peter, here we are on what I always knew as the PTV stand, but it's got a new brand, it's got new colours this year.
Yeah, indeed, and we very much like these colors, but there's a good reason. We're now under the United brand of Umovity, which combines the two strong brands, PTV and Econolite.
And of course, Econolite is huge in the United States. I've been to the Econolite head office in Anaheim, an extremely impressive manufacturer of traffic signals, equipment and controllers. How does that fit in with a transport modelling company?
It totally fits in because now we have this one-stop shop solution where from transportation planning, simulation into real-time operations, we can offer the whole bandwidth.
Obviously, Econolite isn't hugely known in Europe. It's very much a North American and Middle Eastern brand. How are you going to start to bring in some of the really cool equipment that Econolite have got into the European market?
Yeah, actually there's a couple of solutions where we think that totally makes sense also in the European market. And the very first solution we decided to bring to Europe is our Evo radar system. So a radar detector system.
And the Evo radar, I've read something about it. It has a very wide range, so you can see many lanes of traffic from one particular piece of kit. But how do you then integrate the data that gathers into any sort of modeling solution?
Actually, all our models are very data hungry. Yeah? So, and the more data you have, the better you are on the modeling side. And we also believe in whatever can be automated in modeling should be automated. So we very much believe in using these data. And that's what we're doing right now with our first clients to say, here we install the Evo radar detector, and then in one combined system, make sure the right data gets into our system. And also talk about data. AI plays a very important role because we want to make sure the best of this data is used in the modeling world.
And when you say about automating things, for example, I'm always fascinated with Optima. PTV Optima, it kind of solves traffic jams before they even form by working out where they're going to be and working out how to mitigate against the traffic build-up to stop the traffic actually building up at least anywhere near as bad as it would have been otherwise. Or when that simulation and working out the best solution is actually produced, does that then need a human being to implement the strategy, or could you automate it so that in fact the traffic management system just automatically changes its algorithms in order to reduce the traffic buildup?
Actually, both is possible with PTV Optima. On the one hand, you can give whole control to a human being, to have it in control, to form the right strategy. But as you pointed out, the real advantage is in automizing it. So what we can easily do is we ask Optima about best solution. It does prediction, but it also runs different scenarios against each other. And by predefined KPIs, we can ask Optima to give the right advice for actually changing something out there, traffic signal program, well mesh science, and so on.